Ready to ditch the same old trending tunes and spice up your Instagram stories with your favorite music? Let's dive in. First things first, let's start a new story. Tap the plus icon at the top of your Instagram feed or swipe right from anywhere in your feed. You'll now be in the story camera. You can either take a photo or video right here or upload one from your camera roll by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. For this example, I'm going to upload a photo. Okay, once you have your background chosen, tap on the sticker icon at the top of your screen. It looks like a square with a smiley face peeling off. In the sticker menu, scroll until you find the music sticker. Tap on it to open the music library. Now, at the top of the music library, you will see several tabs. Select the Save tab. This will show you all the songs you have previously saved within Instagram. Here, you can scroll through your saved music list and choose the song you want to add to your story. I am choosing this one. Once you tap on a song, it will be added to your story. You can choose which section of the song to play. Use the slider at the bottom to select your desired segment. You can also choose whether or not to display lyrics and adjust the sticker's appearance. Finally, tap Done in the upper right corner, and your saved music is now perfectly placed on your Instagram story. Now post it to your story. And that's it. You've successfully used your saved music. Get creative, have fun, and don't forget to subscribe for more Instagram tips.